Sa patuloy na paglaganap ng cyber threats gaya ng hacking, malware, at daccation, gobyerno, at iba pang larangan upang matiyak ang kaligtasan ng impormasyon. Ito ang mga objectives ng i-discuss natin. Understand the definition, describe key security protecting data, and discuss policies, standards, and best practices. Introduce ethical hacking and penetration testing concepts. Information security is the practice of protecting digital and physical information from unauthorized access, modification, and destruction. It encompasses security practices and tools. A good system meets all three essential elements: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. A triad is helpful in understanding what went wrong and what was effective after a next. It's important to manage access to information in order to avoid any unauthorized sharing of data, whether it happens on purpose or by mistake. Insider threats.